Hey guys, this week I am doing an impromptu HSN appearance in California. So I think we're about to go live in like 15 minutes, so I should probably get in the kitchen. So check it out. Hi, how are you?
Here we have the station, and there's
Little pre-show snack, organic banana, and I threw some raw almonds in the bag. Ooh, I also found organic Fuji apples at my farmer's market where I'm staying. Even when I'm traveling, I hunt down a farmer's market and like find food. Anyway, all right, we're about to go live. Because you want it to look super dry.
Yeah.
I had oxidizing citrus and onions at home, and I forgot them. Okay, so we're getting ready to go live on HSN. I actually hear them in my ear, so I might be talking really loudly right now. And I already talk loud, so I'm probably shouting at this point. And this is my main camera up here. Can someone put a sticky note that says look here? Well, yes, the other thing too is now that I'm a family of 4, and my freezer has become a very, very good friend.
Feel good?
I feel good, yeah, I think we're good. I forgot to show the trifle, which looks so beautiful. We won't let this go to waste. You guys, thank you so much. All right, we're in between shows, doing a quick coffee run. So, yeah, no big deal. Just welcome to sunny Los Angeles. Okay, we got the coffee. Got 4 cold brews. Not all for me, maybe. It's for the guys who are helping me pull this off. Let's do it. Caffeinated and ready.
So you're getting ready for the second hit?
Get ready. Start with board. And we're gonna go right into the knife.
Okay.
Moving this in pieces. I have not used an induction stove in a very long time, but it works well.
Yeah,
I just have to remember how to use it. All right, we should go get ready. And I created this specifically because as you said, I've been cooking for so many years. My first cookbook came out in 2016, which really focused on batch cooking and cooking big portions of food. And something like this, these are all solutions to problems that I faced in the kitchen. Yes. And if you eat in restaurants, they love using carbon steel because they heat up quickly, they cool down quickly. Thank you, Marla, for having me. It's always so much fun. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we just finished our second airing. Woo! It's such a different muscle for me. I know I've been in front of the camera since I was a kid, with that 70s show when I was 18 and then onwards, but like, this is a totally different muscle. It's so interesting to learn, and I think I improved from the last time. Anyway, thank you guys for being here with me. I hope you guys like this video and spending the day with me while I was doing my impromptu HSN airings. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications if you haven't already. See you guys next time.